sort of a one-man band at the moment, predominantly doing like residential, not really any commercial, just light renovations, new builds. And one other apprentice as well, based up Warkworth, Rodney area, and a little bit on the shore and in Auckland as well every now and then. Probably about 10 years, in business for about 3. It just seems like a good networking opportunity, and to be connected with like-minded members and other opportunities, like how he's setting us up with brokers and getting in touch with like the merchant suppliers and all of that, and looking at different aspects. Yeah, really good actually. It exceeded my expectations, to be fair. Yeah, I thought it was pretty cool when they openly talked about mental health as well, because I feel quite strongly about that. And yeah, that was pretty cool to see, I thought. I've heard some really good feedback, so I'll definitely be in touch about that.